Sir, the sums. This is the ratio analysis. Ratios. So the sums. Sir, done, sir.
Very good, Harsh. Very good. Very nicely maintained. And keep it up. Once again, we will see when all the topics will be done and then Viva will be conducted on these assignments only. Okay? So today we have 15th March. It was roll number 39. Okay. Anyone else other than roll number 39?
So I have let. So I want to show from trend analysis. So this is trend analysis. Comments. Objective. This is ratio analysis. And this is the sum of ratio analysis.
Where is the index page, Pradya?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Very good. Anyone else?
Sir, I want to show my assignment from starting.
Wait. Who is this? Roll number 57. 7857. Go ahead, Pankti.
Index.
नहीं दिखा index. Come again. Come again. Index page. Speak something so that we'll be able to hear your front page.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
See, what we did, we have put it as speaker view. So when you will speak, it will be visible for entire class, all 50 odd students. Okay. So I will not be biased because you must be knowing after so many reminders, still only 40% student is started doing all this. 60% student has not done it. And definitely I'm not going to give them good marks in internal, for sure. So you speak so that your things will be visible to everyone and nobody can counter question to me ki sir apne why you have given more marks to her or someone else who will be doing work, they will be going to get the marks. Very simple funda of my life. So kindly unmute yourself, speak something. So like me, how I am visible to everyone, you will be visible, your assignment will be visible to entire class. Go ahead, 57.
Index. Format of financial statements. terms of income statement.
How many pages it is, Pankti?
Yes, sir.
How many pages you have completed for assignment?
Sir, 57.
Okay. Have you included objective questions also?
Yes, sir. Objective. Of first chapter. Objectives of second chapter.
So I believe these questions will help us today in our internal exam, which will be of objective MCQ. All the best. Good. This is first time you have shown me the assignment, Pankti.
Ratio analysis.
I mean, you have not shown me the assignment earlier. Am I right? In my
Yes, sir.
record, it is not shown. Okay. Now we have roll number 7747. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is format.
First index page was.
Yes, sir.
Index page with your name and roll number, Pranav. Pranav
Yes, sir.
Dave.
Yes, sir.
Index page बताइए, keep some time for index page, show them the name, roll number, let it be visible to everyone, and any kind of corrections on name will not be do, any kind of overwriting on name and roll number, they will be invalid and will be considered as copy case. Am I very clear? चलिए
Yes, sir.
बताइए, कहाँ है नाम, कहाँ है रोल नंबर, कितने पेजेस है इंडेक्स पेज के? प्रणव, आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Now start. See, I am telling you, when you are showing your assignment, kindly see the screen. And on the screen, you and your assignment should be visible. Am I very clear?
Yes, sir.
Because I have put it as speaker's view. जो बोलेगा वही दिखेगा. तो आपको बोलते रहना है. बोलते रहेंगे तो हमको दिखेगा. ऐसे ही आप दिखाते जा रहे हो, किसी को पता नहीं चल रहा है.
So, sir, this is format.
Let's go to index page again.
This is index.
रोल नंबर के पास लेके जा. रोल नंबर नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे, नाम दिखा. क्या है रोल नंबर, क्या है रोल नंबर तुम्हारा?
7747. Sir, can I start?
Yes, now you can.
This is format. This is sums. Common size. Trend analysis. Ratio analysis. This is objectives from now. Done, sir.
You also have shown me for the first time. Till now in my record, nothing was visible for you as an assignment. So this is first time you have shown me the assignment. Am I right? I just wanted to make it aware that record what I'm maintaining is up to the date and up to the mark. 7856. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay. I have shown you the sums before. There was one balance sheet sum, recession time. So बाकी सब लिखा है.
I need to check other assignments also. Acha,
Sir, I have shown them before.
shown you before, yes.
Yeah.
In my record it is there. 7856 is there. Regular. Very nice. Keep it up. Anyone else? Anybody else? So I'm just stating these roll numbers. Pradnya, kindly write down on the chat box so that it will be aware for others that other student. I mean, last time also I have stated roll number 1 to 12. Not a single time they have shown me the assignment. 13 also once. So who are regular in assignment, let me put their roll numbers. Roll number 20, roll number 49, roll number 53,
Sir, I have to show balance sheet ratio.
57. Wait, these are 5 students of C division who are regular in showing the assignment. Now D division roll number 43, 47, 56 and 67. These are the 4 students. So altogether for me the regular and who will be known as and going to get good marks as far as internal is concerned is only 7 in my fingertips. And I think this 43 also I must have told just now. So others very difficult. And मैं ये बोलता is in this easy subject also I will never hesitate to fail you. I am very particular about my things. I never hesitate. No, that is once. No, I am talking about regular one. You must have submitted 39 once. That is not going to make you at par with other student who is doing on regular basis. I can tell you when also I have checked your assignment. First assignment has been assessed on 19th of Jan. Second, 1st Feb, 8th Feb, 15th Feb, 2nd March, 8th March, and 15th March. Do you think any teacher can keep the record like this? And this is how you are going to get your 20 marks. Chalo, let me go to the last student who wanted to show balance sheet wala 7 7 कौन था वो? 774.
Sir, I want to show.
Yep. Go ahead.
So P&L ratio formulas of this balance sheet ratio question. Two questions of balance sheet ratio. This and this last.
Very nice. Very nice.
Then
Keep it up. 7749.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
One second, sir. So this is balance sheet ratio. Question. And sir, I've completed the index also.
Show us the index also.
Okay, sir.
Very nice. Keep it up. So I told you those 5 students of C division and 4 students of D divisions are very, very apt. Other students kindly follow them. If you also interested to get good marks. And there are few students who have not yet done their change in the DP. Manjunath 7703. I mean, I hate these kind of stupid students. Since last semester, I'm stating these people are not following. 7708, kindly mark them absent. 7711, 7713, who are without their DP, kindly mark them absent. Henceforth in all my lectures. I don't know about others. For me, these things should be followed very strictly. Otherwise, let them not to attend my lecture. Well, so we have seen the ratios, the basics of vertical statement, and you have seen how important it is for every organization, every businessman, because then only they can take the corrective measures, they can make the strategies, they can plan about their business progression, their growth, etc., etc. Now let me test your knowledge. I believe today you have your examination also. Today do we have paper of MA or tomorrow? When it is?
Yes, sir, today.
Yeah. So till here it is there in our syllabus. So let me test your knowledge. And believe me, these 8, 10 odd students whose name has been announced today, they are regular in internals, will be the right person who will get me the prompt answer. Just see why I'm asking you to be very particular about assignment and making your assignment on time. The question goes like this. In vertical balance sheet, bank overdraft is considered as non-quick current liability, quick current asset, non-quick current asset, quick current liability. Right answer is quick, and put your answer on the chat box. You want to repeat the question? The question is,
Yes, sir.
in vertical balance sheet, bank overdraft considered as non-quick current liability. I mean, the question is, in vertical balance sheet, the bank overdraft is considered as, these are the options, A, B, C, D. Non-quick current liability, quick current asset, non-quick current asset, quick current liability. What is the right answer?
Not
Quick
a quick
liability.
liability. Not a quick liability.
Yes. So non-quick current liability will be the right answer, and right answer will be A. Only one student who have unmuted them, they were right. Remaining who have stated on the chat box, they were wrong answers. Go to next. Dash express all items of a financial statement as a percentage of sales or capital employed. Listen carefully again. Dash express all items of financial statement as a percentage of sales or capital employed. Common size statement, comparative statement, trend statement, and ratio statement. The right answer will be
Trend statement.
quickly.
Common size.
Yes, the right answer will be common size. Samiksha and Aryan has got me the right answer. I think earlier also, previous question also, this 7847 has got me the right answer. So just try to understand and analyze the entire class. Okay. As you have not practiced, you are not able to answer even a single question. Might be orally or written, and this will going to reflect in your internal exam also. Why? Because you have not practiced. Go to next. Satisfactory level of current ratio is. Satisfactory level of current ratio is 1:1, 1.5:1, 2:1, 3:1. The right answer will be satisfactory level of current ratio.
Uh, 2:1.
Who's this? Yeah, Aryan and Harsh, who has shown me the assignment today, has got me the right answer. It is 2:1. So I hope you must be realized now why I am emphasizing a lot to do the practice. Make yourself equipped enough so that you can be competent enough to give appropriate exam. and get good marks. Next. Dash shows how many times per period the company pays the average payable amount. Dash shows how many times per period the company pays its average payable amount. Creditors turnover ratio, capital gearing ratio, stock turnover ratio, debtors turnover ratio. You want to repeat? You want me to repeat the question? Yeah. So once again, I am repeating the question. Question goes like this. Dash shows how many times per period the company pays its average payable amount. Creditors turnover ratio, capital gearing ratio, stock turnover ratio, debtors turnover ratio. So
Creditor
again,
turnover ratio.
yeah, the right answer is creditors turnover ratio. So it's not only the ratio we need to learn, even the other aspect which has been explained in the ratio, that is also very important. Why ratios has been calculated. So now you must have understood. Almost 50 odd students are sitting in the class, but I don't know whether sitting or going. I'm really very much I mean doubt about it where they are, because they are not responsive. They are not even changed their DP. So majority of them, and please keep a note, who have not changed their DP will not get the attendance for sure. Okay, including Pradnya, her DP is also not there. 7720. जितने भी हैं without DP वाले, all will be marked absent today. Let them give the lesson. And again, I am giving you opportunity. Kindly study. After 20 minutes, we will meet. And today, again, I am going to, rather than teaching new, I am going to take the revision of previous. I'll ask the question and I will expect you to answer. Okay? For 20 minutes, study well. I don't know. I am not able to see it. You can see